Welcome back to the second episode of the EG Project. I want to talk about my inspiration for the build, the top setup EG from the American Toge video. It was one of the more earlier Kswap projects, and I just want to do my own take on the car. This is a video that inspired me to build my own variation of that car.
Just as we thought we'd have to do with one car short, we spotted a nice EG in the parking lot. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. That's what we came for.
Okay.
All right.
And that was a clip from the American Toge video. As you can see from the video, the car looked really stock, almost sleeper. That's pretty much the goal for the build right now. Let's head back into the shop and put some work into the EG. Before we can even stick the motor in, we're going to need to remove the engine mount brackets. After removing the brackets, we're going to go ahead and install the Hasport engine mount bracket. I decided to go with no power steering on the car, so we're going to go ahead and install a non-power steering rack. You'll need a few parts to do this. I bought some parts from Honda, and I also need an NRG Tech adapter to adapt the subframe to use a non-power steering rack. The belt was a little hard to find. This engine using an EP3 style pulley, the AC is deleted, and the crank pulley being a Type R. None of the online resources had correct information for what kind of belt I should use. I chose to put the engine in through the top versus the bottom. It takes a little more patience and care. Just gotta avoid contacting the frame rails and the strut towers. I did run into a little bit of an issue when I tried installing the Track Tough swirl pot. The coolant hardline no longer fit. So the only way I was going to make this work to keep it stock looking would be to cut it and re-weld it together. The EG6 rear brake conversion was in rough shape, so I had it sandblasted. I just wanted to make sure the car is future-proof, so I'm making sure everything is E85 capable. The hoses, fuel pump from AEM. This is a front knuckle mod where I removed 1 inch out of the top. It'll allow me to lower the car more without the A-arm coming up and hitting the strut tower. I'm gonna leave you guys there till the next video. So if you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button on the bottom, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to visit my website, version38.com, and my Instagram is Wooster with 3 O's. I'll see you on the next video.